Hello, my friend. Okay, I'm making a mashed potato because it's Thanksgiving and mashed potato is very famous, especially with the turkey. I love to use red skin potato. So I'm gonna mash it with the skin on. To this, the water is boiling and I add some garlic to it. I love the taste of garlic to my mashed potato and a little bit of salt. So we let them cook for like 20 minutes and we're gonna come back for the next. خب این سیب زمینیامون کاملا پختش. از تو آب کشرتش میکنیم، آبش رو میگیریم، با موقعی که داغه میریزیم توی ظرف و اینو قشنگ لهش میکنیم. من یه 2-3 تا قاشق هم بهش ساور کریم زدم که خیلی خوبش میکنه. حالا اینو له کنیم تا ببینیم بقیه. Okay, here we have some heavy cream. I add some butter to it. I let them just heat a little bit. So we're gonna add it little by little to our mix until it's hot. We don't have to let the potato get cool. So we have to finish it soon when it's hot. Okay, as you see, now we have very soft mashed potato. The only thing we have to do is we taste it and we add some salt and some pepper, and I would like to add some garlic powder to it. This is finished, we are done. We mix everything together and this is one way of making a mashed potato.